nation. Part of the reason we're here today is because we continue to expand testing. As we test more people, we will still find new cases in Oklahoma, but I want you to hear me. Our infection rate is going down. Of all the people we've tested, just 5.67% are coming back with a positive test. That means for every 1,000 that we're testing, 943 come back negative, and just 57 are come back positive. At the beginning of April, we had over 10% of our tests come back positive. So that is a great sign that we are continuing to have a lower percentage come back positive. With more testing and expanding our contact tracing, we will be able to continue to slow the spread of this virus and keep Oklahomans safe. Oklahomans have done a fantastic job, and I said it in the beginning, the better job we do in April, in early April, meant we're going to be able to get back to work quicker in May, and Oklahomans have really sacrificed and done a great job, and it is time to start a measured reopening. I'd like to turn it over to Commissioner of Health Gary Cox to tell you a little bit more about the testing and the contact tracing. Commissioner Cox.
Thank you, Governor. As Governor Stitt begins the phase 1 of the reopening of our state tomorrow, the State Health Department remains vigilant. But before I begin, I want to take a moment to recognize the hard work of the public health workforce. These are our nurses, our nurse practitioners, our laboratory folks, our folks that work the swab drive-thrus, our support staff. They have worked tirelessly on protecting the lives of Oklahomans. And they are actually the tip of the spear in this response. So they are working around the clock. Many of them are working 16 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they're going now, many of them have worked straight for 60 straight days. So we appreciate the time that they have taken away from their families and their lives to really protect the lives of Oklahomans. So our agency has posted guidance documents on our coronas.health.gov site on how each industry can contribute towards our efforts to keep their employees and customers safe. The governor mentioned tracing and testing, and these efforts are absolutely essential to our success in reopening the state of Oklahoma. Governor Stitt has called for all COVID-19 testing locations to expand across the state to give access to all Oklahomans, even those with no symptoms.